Welcome to the Massage Anatomy for Beginners module, where we'll explore the key body structures involved in Thai chair massage. Understanding basic anatomy is essential to delivering effective, safe, and professional massages. By the end of this lesson, you'll know the primary muscles, pressure points, and energy lines that make Thai chair massage both therapeutic and deeply relaxing. Let's get started. Section 1. What is anatomy and why is it important? Anatomy is the study of the structure of the human body. For massage therapy, it's our guide to understanding where to apply pressure, how to target specific muscles, and how to avoid causing discomfort. Thai chair massage focuses on relieving tension in areas that are commonly affected by stress, such as the neck, shoulders, back, and arms. So knowing these structures is key to delivering the best results. Section 2. Key muscle groups for Thai chair massage. Let's dive into the key muscles involved in Thai chair massage. Neck muscles. The trapezius extends from the base of your skull down to the middle of your back. It's a common culprit for tension caused by stress or poor posture. The levator scapulae, located along the sides of the neck, is responsible for lifting your shoulders. It's often tight, especially in people who work at desks. Lastly, the sternocleidomastoid, or SCM, is a diagonal muscle on the side of your neck. When this muscle is tight, it can lead to tension headaches. Shoulders and upper back. The rhomboids connect your spine to your shoulder blades. These muscles often feel tight when you're stressed or hunched over for long periods. The deltoids, on top of your shoulders, are responsible for lifting and rotating your arms. They're easy to massage, but very effective in reducing arm and shoulder tension. Finally, the latissimus dorsi, a large muscle in your back, helps with posture and arm movements. Releasing this muscle can significantly improve your comfort. Arms and hands. Your biceps and triceps, located on the front and back of the upper arms, can feel stiff from repetitive movements or exercise. The forearm flexors and extensors control hand and finger movements. These are perfect for gentle hand massages, especially for clients who type or write often. Lower back and hips. The erector spinae, which runs along your spine, is responsible for keeping your back straight. Tightness here often causes lower back pain. The quadratus lumborum, or QL, is a deep muscle in your lower back that helps you bend and stabilize your spine. Massaging this area can relieve significant discomfort. Section 3. Pressure points and energy lines. In Thai chair massage, we combine muscle work with the stimulation of pressure points and energy lines, or Sen Lines, to promote balance and relaxation. The Sen Lines are energy pathways that flow throughout the body. By working along these lines, we can help unblock energy, which Thai practitioners believe restores harmony. Let's look at some specific pressure points often targeted in Thai chair massage. Head and neck. The governing vessel 20, located on the top of the head, helps relieve stress and improve mental clarity. The large intestine 4, between the thumb and index finger, is great for tension headaches and general relaxation. Back. The bladder line 23, near the lower back, is excellent for easing lower back pain. The bladder line 13, along the upper back, helps release tightness and improve breathing. Arms and hands. The pericardium 6 on the inner wrist reduces wrist pain and tension. The heart 7 at the base of the palm promotes calmness and relieves stress. Great work! You've just learned the basics of massage anatomy and how it applies to Thai chair massage. By understanding muscles, pressure points, and energy lines, you can deliver more effective and relaxing massages. In the next lesson, we'll cover practical techniques to use this knowledge in a real session. See you there!